wall crack. Oh no!
Don't panic though, there are ways to fix your exterior crack wall. Hello, how are you? My name is Kairin Chong from Spazios DNB. Our specialty is to help protect the walls of your home, exterior and interior, including ceiling. We treat all weakening paint for a new fresh look. Also, we share our ID experiences on color selection consultation during our free site visit. No obligation at all, even if it is a small job. We can do it if your premise is within our coverage area. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please share and like if this video helped. Have a good day and see you again.